To show or hide notification categories menu on its app setting on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find notification. Tap notification and then tap advanced setting. Scroll down the screen. Now tap the on off switch next to manage notification categories for each app to enable or disable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on and your phone will show notification categories menu on the notification settings screen for each app. While if the switch turns gray, it means that this option is off and your phone will not show notification categories menu on the notification settings screen for each app. When you decide to turn this option on, when you go to the notification menu of a certain app, as the example WhatsApp, as you can see in the screen, there is a notification categories menu, and when you open this menu, you can manage the notification for each category available on WhatsApp. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.